Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. So today we are practicing day 8 of our 21-day yoga challenge. So I hope you have been enjoying all the videos and you have been practicing with me. So we are going to practice today where we are going to do a lot of asanas about twisting. Alright, so this practice could be a bit challenging for those who have not really practiced yoga a lot or who have not done much of twisting asana so far, but then I will be helping you with couple of modifications. You try with me, and if you find it like really difficult, then you do how much ever you can, practicing every day a bit. Slowly it will help you to get better at these asanas. So before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon next to it so that all my videos will be reaching you on time. And you can also follow us on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. So let's get started. Stand straight and tall, relax your shoulders. Now bend your both the hands in front of the chest. Now you're going to turn to the right and the left with the inhale and exhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Try to look back. Now unfold your both the hands, turn towards your right and left. Basically you're going to swing here both the sides. So right, try to look back and swing how much ever you can. Inhale and exhale accordingly. Few more times. This is going to help you to activate your spine for the practice. Now both the hands back, open up your shoulder, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Twisting is generally very good for your spinal health. So if you do these practices here and there, it will help you to keep your spine healthy for long. Okay, so now try to bend your both the knee. So you all know how to practice Utkatasana, right? So keep your knee almost in a straight line to the ankle. Try not to push your knee forward. So try to hold here. Now both the palm together. Instead of lifting our hands up, we are going to keep your hands here. Now from here, you are going to turn towards your right side. So what you are going to do, you are going to get your right elbow, towards your left side. So what are you going to do? You are going to move your right elbow towards your left knee. Okay, it's very simple. From here, bend forward, get your right elbow to the left knee and try to turn your chest towards the left side. And you're going to get your both the palm together. And from here, try to extend your spine. If you find it easy, hold. If you think you can go forward, try to push your palm to the chest. This is going to give a lot of twist to your spine. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Release, center. Now same thing we're going to practice the other side, but I'll be facing you so that you can see me better. Okay, bend forward, knee should not cross your toe, palm together. Now don't get your spine too down, try to keep your spine up. Now left elbow will cross the right knee, open up your chest and hold. If you feel like this is more than enough for you to hold, stay. If you think you can go forward, push your chest to the center. Continue to breathe long. 3, 2, 1. Center. Now try to keep your legs straight. You can already feel good in your thigh. Just relax your thigh. Now once again bend your knee, Utkatasana. But you're not going to stay in Utkatasana completely. Drop your hands down, palm together. Now turn towards your right side, elbow straight to your heel. Okay, both the hands, palm together to your heel. Now open up your left hand out. So try to open up your chest how much ever you can. 3, 2, 1. Palms together, Same thing the other side. Open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Palm down. Now straighten your knee. Slowly come to center. Now from here, slowly bend forward. Now get your right leg back. Drop your right knee down. Keep your both the hands on your knee. Okay, so gently try to push your knee forward. Don't try to put lot of effort in pushing your knee forward. Try to keep the energy for your thighs to stay here for some more time. Now, very similar practice, we're going to give a twist from here. My left leg is in the front, right leg is back. I'm going to take my right elbow to the left knee. Okay, so you're going to move your chest slightly forward, knee here, palm together. So here you might feel a balancing issue, so just hold here. Even though you can get your chest in center, if you want you can get your chest in center, otherwise hold here. It's a very mild twist. Stay. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come to center. Take your leg back. Place your opposite leg forward. Drop your knee down. Inhale. Exhale. Push your knee forward. Get your both the hand to center. Same thing the other way round. You're going to get your left elbow to the right knee. Palm together. Try to look out. Hold. 3. Make sure that you keep your chest open and should feel the twist in your spine. 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Take your leg back. Drop your knee down. Sit in Vajrasana. I'm sure you're feeling good. Already you can feel your thighs are warm. Now from here, get your both the hands back forward, and you're going to move only your left hand back. Drop your left hand just behind the spine. Just give a twist. 1, 2, 3. Don't tilt back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get your both the hands, both the legs straight forward. Be relaxed. Same thing, twisting both the sides. Now keep your both the hands on the floor, turn behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to center. Drop your both the shoulders down. Look back. Relax. Long breathe in, long breathe out. Relax your spine. So the one which you practice, which you did now, it's mostly your upper back. That's where you feel the twist. So let us give a proper twist to your lower body now. Now, you got to bend your knee, left knee. So you need to keep your left toe or the heel just next to the right knee. So your toe as well as knee going to be in one straight line. Keep your spine in center, left hand relaxed. Now take your right hand up, turn towards your left side. You're going to drop your elbow to your knee and you're going to push your knee in. So the moment you push your knee in, there's a space for you to turn back. So going to keep your hand straight. Try to keep your left hand behind your spine and try not to tilt too much. Sit straight. Now from here, turn back and hold. So the more you push your left shoulder out, you're going to push your right knee in. Open up your chest, hold. Keep your eyes closed if you are in a right posture now. Hold 5, 4, 3, long breathe in, breathe out, 2, 1. Slowly release the posture. Your knee going to stay here as it is. Now left hand up. Now this is optional because you just try. If you can do it, you can do it. If not, then it's okay. Keep it for next time. Left hand up, bend forward. Okay, you can easily touch your toe. Now try to move your shoulder, elbow over the knee. So from here, left hand, left knee is bent. You can easily touch your toe. From here, you can open up your chest, open chest to the opposite direction, and from the right hand, you're going to hold your palm. Interlock your fingers. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the posture and you're going to straighten your knee. And when you're sitting in this posture in L shape, keep your spine completely straight. Now bend your right knee. Right hand going to go back exactly behind the spine. And left hand up, crossing your knee. Try to open up your chest and look back. Slow down your breath. Stay here for a few counts. 1. Keep your eyes closed if that's possible. 2, 1. Slowly release. Now this posture is again optional. From the right hand, you can tap your toe easily and you're gonna cross your knee over the elbow. From the left hand, you're gonna hold your palm and open up your chest. Look out. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. What I believe, when you practice any posture, you don't really have to be perfect. Because everybody's body is different and everybody's going to have a different experience when they practice. Your anatomy is going to be different. Because everybody is doing the yoga in a different way, right? Even the same asana, your experience is going to be different for sure. Do it how much ever you can. Try to understand your body. Do not really fall for the perfection. Perfection will come only over the period of time in the practice. Okay. Now both the legs in Sukhasana. A simple twist to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right and to the left. Center. Lie down on your back. Keep your head relaxed. If you have any clip in your head or any hairband or anything, just try to keep it aside so that you can lie down on your back peacefully. Now open up your both the hands to shoulder level. Bend your both the knee to the chest. Now from the left knee, left palm, push your knee to the left side on the floor, closer to the left hand. See, if the left hand is on the floor, your knee gonna be very close to your hand. Keep your both the hands on your knee. Turn towards your right side. Same thing the other side. If you feel relaxed, you can stay here for long. This posture is really relaxing. I'm sure you would want to stay here for some more time, and you can do that. You can just pause the video. You can stay here for a few more minutes. Extremely relaxing, peaceful. You can feel a mild twist in your back. Come to center, drop it down. Now if you want to feel a bit more strong stretch, keep your left knee on the floor and drop your right knee over the left. Okay. Now from here, lift your knee up. From left hand, push your knee to the side and drop your whole body weight on the floor. Don't try to hold yourself back. Turn your head to the right. You can feel a good stretch. Come to center, change your position of the legs and drop it to the right side. The only challenge here, your shoulder should not come up. If you're trying to do, if you're trying to lift your shoulder up, try to drop it down forcefully, or see how will you balance your body. Or you don't have to drop your knee completely down, hold here, that's okay, but your shoulders should be on the floor. Stay here. 3, much deeper stretch. 2, 1. Come to center. Just to relax your spine, because we have done a lot of twisting, we're just going to lift. Keep your knee bent, just going to lift your hip up, down, up, down. The last one time, up and down. From here, extend your both the legs, turn your palm up to the ceiling. Now close your eyes. If you're practicing along with me, surely just close your eyes, drop your whole body weight down and observe your spine for a while. Just relax and just feel kind of a peace which you have right now in your spine, completely relaxed. Just hold here. See if you have any kind of a sensation taking place in your back right now, and just try to slow down your breath. Hold here for a while. Once you feel like you're done with relaxing, you do not want to be here for long. Once you feel better, then you can bend your both the knee, turn towards your side, and then slowly sit up. Alright, so spine related practice is always my favorite, and because it makes me feel really relaxed and more strong, and I'm sure a lot of people feel the same. So practice this, make sure that you relax your body after this. Twisting a lot without warm up is not very healthy. That's the reason I always recommend do enough warm up before you jump into this practice. Where you feel it is really strong, you cannot hold, you cannot practice, see what is happening, what is stopping you. If you think it's difficult, it's okay. Try not to force yourself. Yoga is something which will take you very slowly. It's a very slow journey. Just learn every day, explore yourself, practice a bit. Every day you will learn something new. So keep practicing, and if you have any doubts, you can drop your comments in the comment box. We'll surely reply for that, and I'll see you tomorrow.